I just got these in. These work very, very well while you have your phone. You can actually touch the screen. They work very well. I purchased them in the past. I think this is my first video on it. And I always forget, I usually buy the medium to large or the extra large. Sometimes I wear additional gloves underneath for warmth. I'm in Pennsylvania. It could get kind of cold out here. Nothing like Sweden, but it could get cold. And I'll buy them so I can wear different things underneath. Usually the medium to large fit fine. I'm just going to put them on, show you how you can still use your phone and your tablet with them on. And, you know, give you an idea of and a close-up look of the actual item you receive, as the websites with the pictures, they're not that great. So I hope I can do just a little bit better job in regards to letting you see, look, and make you feel like you're actually holding it. That's why I make the videos this way. In that way, my camera is your eyes looking at the product, getting a close-up look, getting a good idea of the product. So let me open up the medium. I'll just open both of them. I'll try them both out. I'll have this at the end if you're interested. I'll have this at the end. So these are, so I don't confuse them. Medium to large on the left. I'm about 5'7", about 160 pounds, so I'm a small guy. And these fit nice, snug, but you can't get anything in there. I love this rubber part of it. Now I have a set that I keep with me in my bag. I do floor exercises, a little bit of a gymnastics type of thing, just to stay in shape on a wood floor. And what this does, it gives me extra grip to hold to the floor, so that when I'm doing certain moves, maybe a handstand or something like that, this gives me the grip on the floor, and the floor is not too slippery. So I use it for that also. I have a set in my bag for that. And this, so that's the medium large. Let me try the large. And yeah, I mean, just a little bit less snug. As a matter of fact, I like the large more than the medium large. Less pressure, and they still fit good, as you can see. It's a tight fit, but not as tight as the medium large. So again, I'm a 5'7" guy, about 160 pounds. So if I had a choice, my own personal opinion, again, it's just mine, I like the large. It feels less constrictive. This feels tighter. If you like a tight fit, medium large is fine. And it fits nice. I like it. And it keeps me warm. So let's try it out, using it for its main purpose, which is on a tablet. So as you can see, these are one of my videos. I'm going to slide it back and forth. So I'm going to pause it, play. It works flawlessly. I can fast forward. Fast forward is this way. I forget what it is. Let me fast forward. I'm here on my channel. Let me go to one of my videos. Click on it. A little trial and error, but it works. Especially when you're moving around. And I can fast forward it, no
throw
issues.
them over or push them over. So it'll make use it for.
Just W. The new, easy way to dust picks up dust like no other. The new cleaning tool designed to get dust out of every nook and cranny. This unit will work with any vacuum.
But it's, you know, trial and error. And the nice thing about it is that it, you know, you'll keep warm and you can still use your phone. It's not like using your finger, of course. You're going to have a lot more misses, but it's nice that you don't have to take your glove off at all. It helps in that last second you want to type stuff up and everything. So you can still use the screen with no issues whatsoever. I find it's a little bit, maybe you might have to do it twice, but it's better than taking off the glove while it's freezing outside. I like them. I like them a lot. So I hope, okay, so I'm going to end the video here, letting you know, you can see that you can still use the screen. You can still use touch screens. It's going to be a little bit of a, hit or miss, but it's better than going out there and taking off your glove while it's freezing out there if you need to use your phone. All right, so I hope the video helps. I hope it was informative. Thank you.
Agloves Polar Sport Touchscreen Warm Comfortable Gloves 2-Pack Kit Medium Large B&H AG1707C3221K. Bond Kit. November 24, 2020. Cost, $19.99. 2-Pack. Purchased at B&H's website. In the box. 2X Agloves Polar Sport Touchscreen Gloves, medium/large. Limited 1-year warranty. Key features. Entire glove is conductive. Use all 10 fingers at once. Gripper dots on palm for secure grip. Seamless knit design. You'll get 2 pairs of warm gloves that allow you to type with any or all of your fingers with this Agloves Polar Sport Touchscreen Gloves 2-Pack Kit from Bond. Unlike gloves with touchscreen pads on the thumb and forefinger, these medium/large gloves are made entirely of conductive material, so you can type normally on a pad with a full keyboard. Agloves Polar Sport Overview. You'll get 2 pairs of warm gloves that allow you to type with any or all of your fingers with this Agloves Polar Sport Touchscreen Gloves 2-Pack Kit from Bond. Unlike gloves with touchscreen pads on the thumb and forefinger, these medium/large gloves are made entirely of conductive material, so you can type normally on a pad with a full keyboard. No typos. Text, type, swipe, and scroll just like you would with your bare hand. Agloves Polar Sport gloves feature a seamless knit that stretches around your fingers for greater comfort and a dexterous touch. Use all 10 fingers. With Agloves Polar Sport, you can use all 10 fingers at once, allowing you to type on the full finger keyboards found on iPads and other tablets. Quality design. The Polar Sport gloves are made with acrylic fiber, which is known for being soft and warm, with a wool-like feel. It is also quick drying and breathable. Silver is a natural thermoregulator, meaning it traps heat back to its source, keeping you warm. Agloves uses 100% real silver with no nickel or tin alloys. Sizing. The medium/large Agloves fit hands 7.5 to 9.5 inches around. To measure your hand size, hold a tape measure in the center of your palm, just under the knuckles, and wrap it all the way around your hand. When in doubt, size up. Agloves Polar Sport Specs. Materials acrylic, silver yarn. Size fits hands 7.5 to 9.5 inches, 19.1 to 24.1 centimeters, around. Packaging info. Package weight 0.15 pounds. Box dimensions, LXWXH, 10.5 by 5.1 by 1.3 inches. UPC, 851,314,003,221.
you.